Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing something completely different. As you can see from the thumbnail, I will be doing like just a really cool tribal look that I came up with, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So what I am doing is I am going to part the front part of my hair because I'll be putting a braid down the middle, and then I'll have two twists coming down on the side. So I'm parting those sections out. Then I will be going in and twisting my hair with some Marley hair on each side. After I twist the hair on each side, then I'm going to do my braid down the middle. I could have used extra hair with that braid down the middle, but I decided just to use my own hair. I got enough hair now, you know. As you can see, my hair is straight here. So actually I have to put a video off for you guys. But yeah, so I got my hair straightened. And so that's why I decided, you know what, let me try to take advantage of getting a somewhat high ponytail. And so here I am parting my hair down the middle for my braid, and I'm just gonna section each of these off. Sections that I'm not going to use, I'm gonna put in like kind of big plaits. And yeah, after that I am going to just kind of edge control my hair up. Look, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, this video took me a while to edit just because I went in with some colorful string, like some purples and pinks, and I just really wasn't liking how that looked. So I redid it with the different types of string, and I went gold instead of purple. So you're gonna see this video chopped up in different sections, like trying to get it to look as cohesive as possible. So here I am adding the She's Bomb edge control. You guys are gonna have to let me know how to use this. I think this edge control does not work well if you already have product in your hair, because this, as you will see, it turned really white. So I am going to braid my hair down the middle, and then I am going to twist my hair on the sides with Marley hair.
Said I need you now cause I'm losing patience. Before you were knocking on my door, I said love is a two-way road. You don't care no more, I'm not going crazy. Needed you just to help forget it all. And it was easy, you put the records on to replay. Danced till we couldn't see straight, till the morning came along. Don't need the weekend, we don't wait until the evening. We don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along, cause that's what friends are for. Said I need you now cause I'm losing patience. Before you were knocking on my door, I said love is a two-way road. You don't care no more, I'm not going crazy.
So as I'm twisting my hair down, I'm putting some edge control on my actual hair and the Marley hair, because my hair is kind of fuzzy at the end. So I just want to kind of blend the hair, my natural hair, into the Marley hair. And I'm doing that by adding edge control.
We don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along, cause that's what friends are for. Cause that's what friends are for. Cause that's what friends are for.
Alright, so right here I am just kind of editing and I'm showing you guys just the little hair jewelry that I'm adding to my hair. My camera stopped recording when I was putting my hair up in a ponytail, so boo for that. But here I am, I'm just adding the hair accessories. So I'm going in with the gold clips, and I added some wooden beads along with some of the gold I don't know what you really call the ones that stretch. Now here I'm adding my Marley hair, and I'm going to split it in two and then take different sections and twist them around in opposite directions. Pretty much, it's very easy to do. And then I'm going to wrap it with my gold string, and yeah, we're going to be good to go.
Take apart and go through, yeah. I'll learn your soul so we can run away, run away. Come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, run away. Come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me. It's alright. Close now. Closed off to the world we left. Let it go now. Let me get this off your chest. My love is raw, it fills ya. I shower in your ocean. Trace the lines that thrill ya. I learned your soul this weekend. Run away, run away. Come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, run away. Come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me. It's alright. I know you feel this. I know you need it. You say you want us, but do you mean it? I know you feel. I know you need. You say you want, but do you? Run away, run away. Come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, run away. Come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me. It's alright. Run away, run away. I know you feel. I know you need. Run away, run away. I know you feel.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about this edge control. So I used She's Balm, and She's Balm has been turning very white. I think this is something that you probably need to go into with your hair like clean, like with no oils or anything in it. Because I'm reading the directions. It says, for a strong hold that lasts all day, apply a small amount to edges, smooth in with your fingers or a clean hairbrush. For a stronger hold, add more and smooth in. However, She's Balm is, I don't know, it's real white, so I'm thinking it could be the excess product that's causing it to turn white. Like, I had moisturizer in my hair, so I don't know if that's what's causing it. Yeah, so what I did was went in with some edge booster, and edge booster turns white too. So when I wake up in the morning, I may have a white hot flaky mess, who knows. But yeah, so that's what you can see. Like, I mean, it's white real bad. I don't know what that white stuff is, but okay. Trying to ruin my bomb hair look. But yeah guys, so here's the finished look. I did the braids, like the twist, kind of long, so it's like you can't even see it. Kind of, let me just kind of like slide up. So that's where they stop. But yeah, let me know. I wanted to do something different, something cute, something a little bit tribal, I guess. But I like how it came out for sure. Yeah. Outside of the white edge control, it's kind of cute. Oh, and of course, if you like this makeup look, because I am loving this makeup look, I outdid myself today, honey. I used the ABH times Jackie Aina palette. I also went in with the Fenty foundation, and I'm gonna have to give this some more work. My face is breaking out, so I don't know what's going on. However, I am loving this makeup look. So if you like this makeup look, I will leave the video right here for you guys to watch, and you can go straight on and just keep it moving, keep the party rolling, let the good times roll. All right guys, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know if you like this video. All right guys, let me know what you think, and until I talk to you guys again, stay beautiful. Bye bye.